Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, it's very clear to see that Bitcoin has broken away from the pack. While all the altcoins are struggling to just stay in the green, Bitcoin has broken over 94,000, and the main driving factor behind this is the Nasdaq listing. Just in the first 24 hours, we had a trading volume greater than 2 billion just from the Nasdaq listing, and you can see right now the trading volume is showing no signs of slowing down, sitting nearly at 74 billion. If we talk about Dogecoin, it has slowed down a little bit from 11 billion to 9 billion, but it is still holding strong, and the price is also not falling under 37,000. And the way Dogecoin is doing, maybe we might be facing a little bit of correction, maybe 40 to 50% before we see another explosive move. Little known but significant Dogecoin indicator goes off. Is a supersonic rally to $5 underway. Will Microsoft buy Bitcoin after Michael Saylor 3-minute Bitcoin strategy pitch to board? And Bitcoin Rumble stock rallies 9% as the founder adding Bitcoin to treasury. So there is a lot of things which are happening in the background, but before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just update to go then push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in crypto and especially Dogecoin. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, and the market keeps climbing. Now I noticed on Twitter a lot of people are talking about that Friday, or you can say Black Friday, came a little early. I mean, we are about a week away, but you can see that most of the tokens are at a discount. I mean, if you just go into the meme coins category, that's the one that's actually shocking the whole market. Usually meme coins are more volatile, and that's exactly why they are down so significantly in the last 24 hours. The biggest one that I have been paying attention to is actually Peanut. You know that it just came out of nowhere and now it's down about 15%. Could this be a good grab? And on the other one is Dogecoin, because if you just look at the trading volume, yes, it might be down 27%, but if you look at the volume to the market cap ratio, 16%. That's incredible for a token that's actually the 7th largest by market cap in the whole entire world. Keep in mind, Doge hasn't even shown its full potential as Bitcoin is climbing higher and higher to its all-time high. Doge hasn't even caught up to its all-time high. And if you actually pay attention to the way that it's actually forming the channel, you'll realize that for a short period of time we did actually break above this channel, which was above 38 cents. But I did mention to make sure that the rally does not slow down, we do not want to break below the support that we have created. But in the past 4 hours, that's exactly what's happened. Now I do not blame the Dogecoin market due to the fact that there are so many different markets which are crashing other than Bitcoin, because the amount of money that's in the other altcoins is being pulled out in terms of profit and actually put into Bitcoin. And seeing more Nasdaq pushes about to come, people are expecting Bitcoin to climb another 7 to 8% to 100k before it shows any signs of slowing down or any sort of resistance. So that's one of the reasons why altcoins are not showing explosion. But you also need to pay attention that this could be the perfect time to buy into your favorite altcoin. I mean, you can see over here in 2017, Dogecoin surged 9,000% with 2 major corrections. Now, do I think that we're going to be getting a 9,000% increase in the Dogecoin price? 100% no, because it would put the market cap to some very extreme, which I'm very certain it's very hard for Dogecoin to reach, breaking Bitcoin's market cap. But I do expect Dogecoin to climb to $1, which is going to be quite a breeze. Now, I feel like a lot of people get a little caught away in a sense that the market is moving really slow. Is it actually going to be making a profit, or is it just going to be staying still? Just don't forget what happened about 2 weeks ago. You can see that from the price of 14 cents all the way to 44 cents in how many days? I mean, if you do your maths, it's about a week. In a week, we were up about 200%. So that should give you perspective. That's just usually how Dogecoin reacts to things. If the next leg up happens, in a week, we will be at $1 and you wouldn't even know. And keep in mind, $1 is actually a small statement because breaking the all-time high could be in less than 24 hours. On the other end, the little known but significant Dogecoin indicator indicators are now starting to flash. I mean, the channel flashes bullish green, and this could actually push it to its all-time high. If Dogecoin jumps to its all-time high, I know for a fact a lot of you guys are going to be very happy. The open interest is down 10%, but still holding very strong, close to 2.4 billion. The liquidations, it was not good for the bulls. As you can see, 15 million being liquidated, but the long to the short ratio is still holding strong. That should give you perspective. Even though the bulls today lost so much of their money, they still probably took a stronger leverage play. That's exactly why the 73% is still holding strong. Bitcoin looks like it did what it did in December of 2020. Even the RSI is nearly identical. If true, Bitcoin will climb to 108,000 and drop to 99,000 and then bounce back to 135,000. Now that does look predictable. I personally feel like it's going to be happening in a really short time, and a lot of people wouldn't even expect it. And what if I told you Doge will be the first meme coin to have an ETF? Honestly, I wouldn't be shocked, because you need to understand there are so many things which is actually driving the Dogecoin rally right now. X payments, a lot of people have completely forgotten that X payments might be coming into play maybe in 2025. I'm definitely certain that in the back end they are working very hard on it. Secondly, SpaceX mission, which will be called Doge 1, that will also be coming into play. And then talking about Doge, which is the new thing that's been created, can Doge really cut 2 trillion from the Federal Reserve's budget? Likely yes. Now keep in mind, if they do decide to take away so much money, they're going to be stopping so many things relating to the government, and so many departments will be closed, just to give you perspective. And Donald Trump reportedly eyes a first crypto-focused role in White House. Now that should give you perspective how much that Trump is supporting it, and then Elon is literally his right hand, and Elon is doing something similar, and Elon's favorite coin is Doge. I mean, if he's able to create a role or a whole department in the government called Doge, you guys know what kind of impact he's going to have. And Dogecoin market cap could surge Porsche, Mercedes if this happens. Now, it's quite clear that it is possible, and it can happen in a really short time. All we are waiting for, or you can say all the whales are waiting for, is they just need some sort of confirmation where we will be breaking out of this consolidation phase that we are in. If we're able to break over 44 cents, there will be a lot of FOMO that will kick in. When the FOMO kicks in, the market's going to keep climbing, because a lot of people will buy in, suggesting that they might actually miss out. And trust me, the amount of FOMO that can kick in, you are uncertain, because if you just look at the market cap, 55 billion. Yes, it's big, but if you compare it to like Solana, there's still a 2x left for Dogecoin to catch up. And if you look at the trading volume, it should already give you perspective. It's kind of nearly 1.5 times more than Solana. So there is a lot of growth left. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be a little patient, buy up on this Friday night, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.